My friend Mark told me about some waterfalls in the mountains. She said she'd taken an orchid tour, and on the tour there were these big waterfalls. She told me roughly where they are, but I don't really know exactly. So the adventure today is to see if we can find them. Oh yeah, but first we should go get some coffee.
Delicious.
After some pretty rough roads, we finally made it. Now we just have to hike up to the waterfall itself.
Cool มากเลย
Well, we found it, as you just saw. That was pretty awesome, huh? Couldn't say anything up there because it was so noisy. You literally couldn't even hear yourself speak. Well, we found both waterfalls. I would call that a complete success. Time to go back and get something to eat. Thanks for watching.